My name is Chris Gantz. I'm a retired firefighter and CEO of JHB Group, the leader in public safety solutions and innovation. We build specialty vehicles for police, fire, and military agencies across the globe, and we have some of the most cutting-edge training technology ever built.
I'm Kay Cush, the COO of JHB Group. We are here to enhance the lives of the communities that we serve by providing a product that does just that.
JHB Group is the evolution of a successful fire safety education company. We now build more fire safety simulators than anyone else in the world. The fire safety simulator has further evolved where now we offer incident commands, investigation. We even have a new police outreach unit. And now we have a new Overland series with our command hauler and the Badger. The success at JHB Group comes from us building every unit with a Christmas Eve 2 a.m. model. When's this rig going to have to go out? It's going to be Christmas Eve 2 a.m. That's public safety Murphy's Law. So it's going to be when the person that knows how to use it best is out of town. The fleet vehicle that's assigned to it is in the shop. The generator doesn't work. That's why there's a backup and a what if looked at for every unit that we build.
A typical day for me depends on what is going on in the shop. We could be building new fire safety simulator cabinets, installing new countertops, consulting on decorations and graphics with the customer. We are constantly trying to find ways to improve the build and the quality of our trailers.
As a retired firefighter, we try to bring the firehouse into JHB Group. We break bread once a week with a family lunch, and we also try to make sure that we hash things out, laugh a little, and have fun with what we're doing, while also making sure we make an impact on the people that we serve. We don't just embrace innovation with what we build, we also embrace it with the way we operate. We switched to a 4-day work week for our staff to give them a better work-life balance.
We built some crazy stuff at JHB Group, but seeing the build come together from the initial mock to it sitting in our showroom and then leaving the facility is what makes it all worthwhile.
We've grown over the years from building our first unit, in a garage in the northwest suburbs of Chicago. We're now in a 42,000 square foot production facility and have rigs around the globe. We've shipped units to the Army in South Korea. We have a unit up in Dutch Harbor, Alaska. We are different, we stand out, and we challenge the norm every day to make public safety better. This is JHB Group.